Once again, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Sorry for the inconvenience a while back. And kindly open cam so we could check your attendance. Okay. So I allow you to have your coffee while the discussion is going on. Just don't be noisy or don't distract other members of this class. So I acknowledge the presence of 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 25, 25 present. Okay. So allow me to share my screen. A while back, we were talking about where were we? House rules. House rules during Zoom. Okay? So let's just continue. So follow instructions that will be given by the host every before the start of the class. Therefore, never ever make yourself late. Don't ever allow yourself to be late in class because all of the important or necessary instructions are always given first. So UC is committed to creating a safe and inclusive environment for all of its students, may it be male, female, and LGBTQ. Gender-based, sorry, thank you. Gender-based sexual harassment in classroom or online are strictly prohibited. It includes the acts that use information and communications technology to frighten victims through the following. So these are the prohibited acts: physical, psychological, and emotional threats. Wag kang pumasok sa klase, kundi bubugbuhin ka namin. O, walang ganyan ha, that's threat. Unwanted sexual, misogynistic, transphobic, homophobic, and sexist remarks and comments on online, whether on public post or through private messages. Kaya nga, maski sino, hindi lang sa member ng klase ha, kahit na hindi class related, you're not allowed to do public comment on anyone's post na nakakabastos. They may screenshot your comment and make it as evidence against you. So, recording invasion of victims' privacy through cyber stalking and incessant messaging is also not allowed. Same is true with recording or sharing of any information of the victim's photos, videos, information, or screenshot of private conversation without permission. So, dapat may permission. Impersonating victims' identities and posting lies about victims to harm their reputation. Ano yan? Defamation, libel, di ba? And filing false abuse reports to online platforms or silence victims will not be tolerated in my class and may be held liable under the Safe Space Act of or RA 11313. Now, this is the most important part of our orientation, your grading system. Meron mas simple dito sa taas eh. So we have no midterms. So we have here your midterm grade. Your midterm, ladies and gentlemen, sorry, I have to amend this. But your midterm composed 50% of your class standing plus 50% of your exam. So whatever comes out, that will be your midterm grade. Now, how do we compute now your final grade? Your tentative final grade is computed just the same. 50% of your class standing plus 50% of your exam will compose your tentative final grade. However, that's only tentative. How about your final grade, the one being uploaded into your Canvas? into your portal canvas. What's the formula for that? That will be 50% of your midterm grade plus 50% of your tentative final grade, and whatever comes up, that will be your final grade. That will be the one to be uploaded in your portal. So means to say, your midterm grade, midterm participation, midterm class standing has something to do, has a contribution to your final grade. Kaya hindi pwede yung sinasabi ng iba na, okay lang na mabagsak ako sa midterms, okay lang na medyo relax ako sa midterms, babawi naman ako sa finals. No, because 50% of your grade in midterms contributes to 50% of your grade in the finals. Yan. Kaya dapat maganda ang umpisa nyo, maganda rin matatapos. Okay? So, what are the bases of your class standing? It includes your assignment, your recitation, quizzes, project may be included if you like. So, yun lang naman. And practicum. However, in some of my previous classes, they had requested that instead of having an exam, sir, pwede ba? Can we have it? Can we consider the result of our practicum firing as our exam? Yun yung mga request ng mga naunang PE4 class ko, which I accepted naman. Just make sure na syempre tatama kayo. Kasi kung di kayo tatama, awol yung mga tama nyo, wala kayong final grade. Diba? So, maaaring mabagsak din kayo pagka ganun. To which, they are really mapilit. Gusto nila. Okay? Now, class, may ask the decision of the class. Gusto niyo rin ba yung proposal ng mga naunang klase? Do you want that set up?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Tanggalin ko lang tong share screen. Kindly open cam. Open cam so I can see your faces. If you actually are present. Oh. Nicole Bauet, Jeric Salupen, even you, Alexa,
Present, sir.
Sagoko, Gerson.
Sir, present.
Yes, open cam so I could see you. Shelo Batil.
Present, sir.
Open cam, open your cameras. Now, do you have any proposals? Before we proceed with proposals, do you have questions with our discussion? Syllabus? Oh, I see a familiar family name here, Atuban. How are you related with Kribel in this brother, Atuban, the police officer in Kamdangwa and in Kalinga? Karen Atuban. Are you related
Sir?
with
No,
Kribel
sir.
Atuban?
No, sir.
But
Baka
do you
di ko
know,
kilala, sir.
but do you know, ay, hindi mo kilala. Ba?
Yes, sir.
Gano? Familiar name from Ifugao, Gayamus. Arambulo, Binalay. Now, do you have questions with our syllabus? Do you have proposals on its possible amendment? May gusto ba kayong baguhin?
None, sir.
Now, how about the problem nowadays is we have the gun ban. Yun ang problema ngayon. We have the gun ban. Kaya kahit na meron kayong license to own and possess firearm, meron kayong firearms license, kahit na meron kayong PTC-4, pagka gun ban talaga. Suspended yung PTC-4. So therefore, we cannot bring our firearms outside. Yun lang yung problema ngayon sa firearm. Kaya, pero tingnan natin, baka sa finals by December, by bare months, baka pwede nating ihabol doon. So, tentatively, we will not be holding a firearm, a real firearm, but we can make use of a replica, yung mga pellet gun. So, in pistol and rifle drills, yun muna yung pwede natin gamitin. And at the same time, ang pinaka-head kasi namin, our head in PE4 is Dr. Dario Ginayan. Kilala nyo ba si Dr. Dario Ginayan?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
He's a full-time faculty at the University of the Cordilleras, CCGE. Kaya dapat kilala nyo. Hindi lang PE4 ang handle niya, even other subjects. So, malamang na instructor nyo. And he has this book very aligned to our syllabus. Yan. Dito rin kayo sasagot. The problem is, you have to buy it, of course. Ano yung presyo nito? It's 320 pesos. Dito kasi kayo sasagot, kaya hindi ko siya pinapa-require, pero ang problema, dito kayo sasagot. So, parang kailangan nga. Hindi nyo rin naman kasi pwedeng ipa-photocopy because you might be held liable for copyright infringement. Yun kasi yung inisip ko. Baka ma-copyright infringement kayo. Anyways, possessing a book naman is an investment. An investment on your side. After passing this course, yung book, sa tingin nyo hindi nyo magagamit pa rin yan. Pwede nyo ipasa sa mga kapatid nyo. Sa mga kapatid or sa mga pinsan nyo, sa mga relatives nyo. Yan. Unlike yung mga notebook nyo, after ng SEM dito, baka mamaya, kulot-kulot na, o kaya, wala kayong tissue, pinampunas nyo na, di ba? So, yun lang. Yun ang advantage ng book versus your notes. Ano yung title ng book? Essentials of Marksmanship and Combat Shooting. Published by Rex. Yan. Di ba nakikita sa camera? Kita nyo ba yung camera ko? Nakikita nyo ba?
Yes, sir. Sir.
Ayan, oh. Now, who are amenable or who would like to order for himself or herself? Meron ba? Meron kasi siyang mga worksheet dito. Dito kayo mismo sasagot. After we have discussed its contents. Anyways, pag-isipan nyo muna. And aside from that, another agenda is most of my class, kahit na ayoko, gusto daw nila magkaroon ng PE4 uniform. PE4 uniform. T-shirt. Mostly t-shirt lang para hindi masyadong magastos. Kahit huwag na yung pang ibaba or jacket. Kung sakali man na gusto nyo. Pero kung ayaw nyo, okay lang din naman na kung ano na yung PE attire nyo in other subject, in your PE1 and PE2, pwede namang yun din ang gamitin natin. Now, may I know the reaction of your classmates of the class? If you are amenable? Gusto nyo rin ba ng PE4 uniform? O hindi
Sir,
naman?
yes, sir.
Who says
Sir.
yes?
No, sir.
Hindi.
Yes, sir.
Taas kamay nga yung no. Taas kamay yung no. Kindly, mayroon tayong reaction sa baba. Reactions. Kindly click on that and raise your hand if you say no. Tingnan ko lang kung may majority. That's no. Malabato. Who else? Neymar. Dalawa. Who else? Who else? Sadkopen. Antero. No. How about yes? Choco is 1. So, 4, 5. Ano to? Yung mga yes na itong mga to? So, we have
Yes,
here
sir.
5 10, we have here 5, 10, 14. So 14. The problem, class, is we are in a democratic country. Thus, as a class, we should abide with the decision of the majority. Total present here is 37. For us to determine the majority is 50% plus 1. So, if 36 pala, excluding me. So, 36 divided by 2 is ilan? 18. Tama, 18. So, there should be 18 for us to see majority. 36 divided by 2, 18. Tama, 18. So, walang 18. Ilan lang kayo?
Sir, pwede yung DefTac t-shirt.
Pwedeng?
Pwede yung DefTac t-shirt.
Pwede naman. Pagka wala na, yun nga, di ba sabi ko, pagka wala na tayong ibang susuotin, pagka hindi nag-decide yung majority na magkaroon ng P4 uniform, edi yun na lang ang gamitin natin, DefTac uniform. Pero kung ang decision ng majority is, let's have our own P4 uniform. Medyo mas astig kasi kayong tingnan pagka meron ganun. Parang pag nasa labas kayo, aba, marksman. Di ba? Kahit na hindi naman, uniform lang. Uniform lang pala. Di ba? Yun kasi, parang may dating. Diba? Para kayong sikat. Parang tunay kayong marksman. Para yung nirepresent yung Pilipinas sa ibang bansa. Yun pala, dito lang pala. Uniform lang pala. Okay. So, nabawasan. Who says yes nga? Yung yes nga muna. Last count. Kung merong 18, majority. Kung walang 18, wala. So, we have here 5, 10, 12. Nabawasan. Kanina 14. 14. So, is that all? 14? Walang 15. Sino pa? 16. Wala
Sir,
pang
madami
majority.
pong nag-chat sa may chat natin, sir.
Sa may chat, oo, pero hindi, dapat yung reaction. You can just react para dun ko sa screen na bibilangin na lang. Mahirap kasi bilangin dito sa chat eh. Sir, hindi ba yung DefTac t-shirt yung gagamitin? Yun, nasagot ko na. Pagka wala tayong P4 uniform, ang gagamitin natin, of course, is the DefTac uniform. Pero kung if the class decided for a separate P4 uniform, yun ang gagamitin natin. So, ano po yung title ng book na sabi ko na rin kanina? Gawa na lang po ng poll. Okay. Pwede. Gawa rin ng poll sa Messenger. Pero as of this moment, we have here 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. Kalahati lang. 18. Dapat ang majority is 50% plus 1. So, at least 19. Gawa ng poll. Pwede. Pwede kayong gumawa ng poll sa Messenger na lang. Doon na lang tayo magbase. Sir, what if yung may ayaw, wag na lang po sa kanila? The problem is, kaya nga tinawag na uniform ay para pare-pareho sana kayo. What's the essence of the term uniform kung chapsuy naman pala o tawag nito? Chapsuy naman pala o mix halo-halo. So, hindi na siya uniform. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. How much po ba yung PE uniform? Yung PE uniform, depende rin. Depende kung pwede tayong makipag-bargain. At depende rin sa klase ng tela. Kung cotton yung gusto nyo, mas mura yung cotton. Kano ba yun? Around 350 yata to include its markings, yung mga tatak niya. Pagka naman yung ano yung isa? Pagka naman yung
Try fit.
dry fit, hindi, yung dry fit na yung parang mga jersey, yung mga bagong
Sir,
uniform
yung
ngayon na may tatak.
sublimation, sir.
Sublimation. Pagka naman full sublimation, around 450 to 500, depende sa tingkad ng kulay niya. Kaya pag mas matingkad ang kulay, mas mahal daw. Pero kung lighter yung kulay, hindi. So that's around 450 to 500. So yan. So yun yung presyo ng uniform. Now, so okay na ba? Sure ba kayo? Yung mga nag-raise ng kamay. So kung meron tayong 18 pa lang. So, 18 pa lang. So, sa poll na lang tayo, sa poll. Sa messenger poll na lang mag-decide. And likewise, pati yung gusto umorder ng book ni Sir Dario, kindly gawan nyo rin ng poll sa messenger. Ayan. Thank you very much, Mr. or Miss Glacy, for the poll. Hindi, Lamar pala. Hindi. Sino ba to? Lamar. Oh. Pati yung book para alam ko, para masabi ko kay sir kung ilan yung umorder, para alam niya kung ilan ang dadalhin niya possible next meeting. Because we will make use of that. Now, our time is, our schedule is once a week, but 3 hours. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, we were done with the syllabus. You have still 1 hour left. I'll be sending you a video link which you can watch in relation to our future activities. Yung mga previous na activity ng mga naunang klase ko, yung isa-send ko sa inyo. Panoorin nyo na lang para at least magka-idea kayo kung ano yung mga possible na gagawin natin. Okay? Now, do you have any reactions, class?
None, sir.
None. Any comment,
None, sir.
suggestions before we dismiss? For your graded activity for today, ladies and gentlemen, di ko nga lang nasabi. Dapat pala I required you a while back to take down notes because that will be serving as your first activity sana. Hindi ko nasabi. Meron bang nakapag-take down notes? Wala. So anyways, for your first day of class activity, I'll be sending you a link. Watch those and do your reaction paper. Alam niyo ba gumawa ng reaction paper? Simple lang naman. Ano yung reaction nyo? Hindi ko sinabing reaction paper tapos pipicturean nyo yung mukha nyo na may reaction na masaya, malungkot. Hindi yun ang reaction paper, ha? The reaction paper I'm looking for is your reaction on how do you find the video. Gusto nyo ba o hindi? Maganda ba o hindi? Hindi yung video, yung content niya. Okay ba yung content niya? Nakakatulong ba sa learning nyo? Do you think it is aligned with our course subject? Do you think you should enhance more kung ano yung pwede nating idagdag? Mga ganun lang. Ganun ang reaction paper, okay? So, that will be your activity for today. You must submit it not later than 12 noon this day, okay? So, ngayon dapat ang due date niya hanggang 12 noon. 12 noon, hindi 12 noon. 12 midnight. Okay? Will that be okay with everyone, ladies and gentlemen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Bakit ka umiiyak? Chlorine
Yes, sir.
Kayab. Yak ba yan? Yak? Yak na? First day of class pa lang, yak na? Any other reactions? Okay. So, with that,
Sir.
ladies and gentlemen, ano yun? Malabato. Sorry, Madabato. Norman, open cam. Norman, anong itsura mo? Ako, hindi nga rin ako naligo. Binasa ko na yung buko. Naglamos na ako. Diba? Kay ganda mo palang lalaki. Dapat yung mga ganyang mukha pinapakita sa Zoom. Alam mo, pagka-present ka, mag-on cam na rin yung mga iba. Jeric Salupen. Kapangalan mo pa naman si Jeric Raval. Okay, with that, ladies and gentlemen, sir, baka may discount po pag madami. Sa book, meron discount yon pagka ma-qualify tayo sa bulk order. Yung uniform din noon, meron din kaming discount noon, bulk order. Meron. Pero depende nga sa result ng poll kasi pinag-uusapan natin yung discount kagad. Wala nga majority, di ba? Wala pa yung majority, I mean. So, tingnan muna natin sa result, saka natin pag-usapan yung other stages for us not to waste much of our time. So, with that, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for your active participation and see you next meeting. Submit your assignment on time, ha? Okay, so you are excused. Your excuse, kindly. You may log out.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Sir,
sir.
wala tayong attendance.
Sir, thank you, sir.
Yun na yung attendance nyo, yung isasubmit yung activity mamaya.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sige.